The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. You see it? Yeah, Didas, big up yourself. You see it? Yeah, Beverly, big up yourself. You see it? Yeah, Joy and Navlet, wanna big up on yourself. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media. And the first video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female who said something that gave me the understanding that she accused a man of trying to kill her. This video is going to show when the female yelled and shouted at the man who she accused of trying to kill her. And this video has been recorded somewhere within the country of Jamaica. You see it? Now, I don't have any information as to when this video had been recorded, but however, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in the video. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Well, the police in Manny tell me that is not in Jamaica, not coming to court, not going to court. Here is Mr. that's supposed to be in court that the police tell the judge is overseas. Now I'm standing at the total gas station at clock. So me want to know if I overseas me that okay it. You think this is fair to me and you? Talk truth. You think this is fair? I mean, so for what? You know very well what me I talk about. And you know say you have to kill me before you walk scotch free to Jamaica. You're not but a murderer. You're a wicked old murderer. You need to stop it. And if me have to go Facebook Live, forget help me, I go Facebook Live. You're a wicked. You're a murderer. This is the taxi. The same very car when Karma got money in a bush to kill me in a. This is Mr. Gardner, what we're supposed to be in front of the court with, and the police tell the judge, Mr. is not in Jamaica. You need to flee. This car not supposed to carry people. This is the same car you take me way into. This is not fair to Jamaica. You're not supposed to run a taxi. When you tell the judge say you're overseas, you fit puppy. You're a murderer. And if me have to go Facebook Live to get help, me have go Facebook Live. You have to stop it. You're a murderer. You are a murderer. I must stand up to your consequence. I will go Facebook Live. You know, from Park o'clock. You are a murderer. You are a murderer. And I need help. Mr. Andrew Wallace, me need help. Me a cry out for a clock. I watch your ass. That is the same person who came if he kill me. And the police tell the judge, say overseas. I see the man there clock around taxi. Me need help. Me need help. And if me have to go Facebook Live, you have to kill me. Me need help. This is not justification. This is wickedness. This is wickedness. You need to go to court. If I am telling a lie on you, sue me for public mischief. But you can't do something like that. And I walk up and down in a OG. And I run up and down in a OG. This is not fair. You're a murderer. And you tell the judge say you're overseas. Am I now in foreign? The case in front of the court. And the man now come to court. The police say you're overseas. Am I overseas? Am I overseas? This is the Jamaica where we have to live in because of who have money run Jamaica. Who have money run Jamaica. If you commit a crime, you must pay your time feet. Mr. Money Police Station, the head of Federation. My name is Sharon Fraser. Me a cry out for justice for the life. A clock around taxi. I'm making a 4-hour statement to the police. This is no joke. And I'm not gonna keep quiet.
female seems really upset, viewers and subscribers, you know. She seems really, really upset. See? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, the things that the female said in this video, they are considered to be accusations. You see me? I'm not saying that she's lying, but in my point of view, the things that she said are just considered to be accusations. You see me? I said to you. Alright, but you know, this video has been talked about on social media, so I'm gonna present it to you so that you can hear some of the things that she said. You see me? Yeah, alright, I'm going to move on to another topic. Yes, what I'm saying to you. You can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in that video. Alright, now I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media that shows what happened when a civilian and a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force had an altercation. You see? Some time ago, I talked about a video that shows when a police officer and a man was wrestling with each other. You see me? Some places on social media, it is said that the police officer and the man fight. You see me? I said to you. Alright, for those who want to see the previous video that I posted that shows when I talk about the incident, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and if I click that link will take you to the previous video that I posted that shows when I talk about the incident. It is said that the incident happened within the country of Jamaica. However, I do not have any confirmed information as to when the incident happened. You see me? Anyways, now I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you so that you can take a look at them for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in these pieces of videos. You see me? Hopefully you, my viewers and subscribers, might get a better understanding as to what happened when it comes on to that incident. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Go to the station. Go to the station, chief.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, master. Yeah, master, man. I make it bad, man. I tell them to make a mash up. Yeah, master. Go to the station. Yeah, master.
Driver, you can't drive now, look.
Driver, you need to comply with the police.
Yeah, man. If you say, man, just hear man, say go on the station, man. Brother, wait, man.
Yo, them man, that's it.
Man, mash up. Me and them come, man, mash him up. Let's hear man, I said that. Take him on the safe one.
Officer.
Just come try the police there. Come try the police.
Alright, mommy, speak up, mommy, speak up. Speak up, mommy. Speak up, mommy, speak up.
Alright, so according to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that the incident happened at Maypen, Clarendon, and it is said that the man is a taxi operator, and it is said that the man did something that was wrong or considered to be breaches of the Road Traffic Act or the law when it comes on to the road, you see me, within the country of Jamaica. And it is said that the police officer approached the man, and one thing lead to another, and the two persons had a physical confrontation. So may I say to you, Oh, and it is said that the person had been brought into police custody, you see me, and other things had been said as well, you know. Alright, so, you know, we just want to make you know about the incident. I'll give you some more information about that incident, alright? And here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. So you can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, me now. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.